just arrived at Underwood Family Farms. Adelaide found a nice little seat.
It's a pumpkin, but it's like a seat.
I know.
And it's shaped like a little seat, like a bean bag.
So we're here for their fall harvest, which is relatively popular. The parking lot is very, very full. It is not usually this full here on a Tuesday afternoon, but during this time of the year it is.
I've never been to a corn maze.
She's very excited. She just heard the corn maze is open today and included with admission. So this is Underwood Family Farms. The Fall Harvest Festival. There's a scan here for it. But normally you could go and pick your own fruits and veggies. And that's a map. Here's the corn maze, it looks like.
It's like cornfield too. Is it that over there? Yeah, you can go in there. That's a small one.
This is the labyrinth, which is a small corn maze for the kids.
Kids coming in.
Hey, spiders. There's the tractor trailer.
All right, say I am having fun.
Tractor trailer ride.
Yay!
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 Elliot and his brother and sister also did
Are you ready?
Should we get a picture of everyone in front of the corn maze sign?
Yeah!
Okay, before we
The
go in.
end is over there. Yeah!
There's some pick your own available down there. We just finished up at Underwood Family Farms Fall Festival, and I gotta be honest, I was a little underwhelmed. Adelaide's in the back opening chips, if you're wondering what that noise is. I was underwhelmed. It was like $25 for the two of us to get in, and the only thing that was available to us was the playground, the corn maze, and the tractor ride, and that was it. Everything else you had to pay extra for tickets, and I don't know. I wouldn't do it again. If you know, I love Underwood. We love to come for the pick your own during the summer, but I would not come back here for the fall festival ever again. It's just, I just don't think it's worth the money. So that's my 2 cents. Adelaide, what did you think? Would you come back to that again?
No.
No? Did you have fun though?
Yes, I love the corn maze.
You loved the corn maze?
Yeah, that was really fun. I feel like we were getting lost.
Yeah, that's how it works. So there you have it. Go to one that's free that has a corn maze, or one that you just pay like a couple bucks to do the corn maze.